Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this zinc. This 3D body is design here and this body is looking perfect. And this body is looking perfect and this is very useful and this is very helpful for any housework. And this 3D body is designing all process is learn here a step to a step, and this a small and beautiful project design here use a CATIA software. And okay, this multi-section view and all is a correct, and some use a isometric view. Okay, this is isometric view is design here, and all is a all back side and front side is looking perfect. Back side is a looking nice here, and all is a bending and all is a looking perfect. And also teardrop is used here, this boundary. Okay, all is perfect. Let's start here all learn step to a step. Okay, let's start. Okay, at first click a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design, and a new part is created here. Select a plane is a XY plane, and use a position sketch. Swap and reverse vertical direction and use a this. Okay, click a circle is a this. Okay, mention any dimension is a this, and 220 is correct. Okay, this is a 220 is better, but 230 is also better. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and exit. And at first click this set metal parameters because all command is not activated, and this set metal parameters button is click here and all is activated. And this is a variable set metal parameters, and this is changeable, also changeable. And I select thickness is 1 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter. Okay, we know that this value is change here easily, and click OK. And at first this is a this is a wall is click here and click this, and direction is downward and click OK. And all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, and this 3D project is looking perfect. And select this shading with edge because this boundary is select here. Okay, and this plane is also this already this plane is hide because right click and this is a so this circle line is showing here. Okay, and at first select this face and position a sketch, click here and swap and reverse vertical direction. Okay, this is a perfect, and click a offset and anywhere click here, and this is a this. Okay, all is perfect, and this value is change here minus 10 is perfect. Okay, all is correct, but minus 11 is also better. Okay, exit. Use a this surface stamp command is used here, and okay, all is perfect. At first click this circle line is click here, and angle is 90 degree, and this is a height is 100 is correct. This preview is showing here, and also this is a 6 is first radius is 6 millimeter, and this second radius is a 13 is correct. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a perfect, but this height is a change here. 140 is better, and also this is a 14 is correct. Okay, this is a very use. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, click okay, this is a perfect. And at first click this shading with edge without smooth edge. Click here, and this some use a this command is a teardrop. Okay, teardrop definition box is pop up, and some use a at first this line is a okay, at first this line is a hide, and again use a teardrop. This teardrop command is select this and this length is a 1.5 millimeter, and also radius is 1.6 millimeter is correct, and select upper line is okay, this is a perfect, but this length is 2 millimeter and also radius is 2 millimeter is correct. Okay, this boundary is okay, this is a looking perfect, and select this material, shading with material, and use a material, this metal, and okay, this is a perfect, and this steel is right click, and this property is click here, and reflectivity is very high, and use a this use a this use a satin material, and click ok, and click ok, this is a looking perfect, all body is looking perfect, and click isometric, and this is a also this is okay, this line is very okay, all is body is perfect, and this body is rotate here, and back side is also looking perfect, okay, this isometric view, and use a multi-section view. Okay, this is a back side is draw, this back side is a okay, this is a looking perfect, and use a some zoom. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is also zoom here, and also zoom here. This body is just some twist, and also some twist, because this is a so nice looking here, and this is a beautiful. Okay, this is a correct, all is well. Okay, all is perfect, okay, this body is looking perfect, and all process is learner a step to a step. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next small project and beautiful project is next a small and beautiful project lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.